Hello and welcome to the Ndex Systems Integration Services Introduction in the first of our series of tutorials on Power BI. This video on Power BI will be focusing on uploading data from Excel and CSV files to Power BI and preparing your data for the production of reports and visualizations. Ndex Integration Services empowers financial firms with the ability to easily transfer account data obtained from thousands of financial institutions by the Ndex Systems aggregation and reconciliation engine to their own private database, data warehouse, or directly to third-party applications. This level of access and control will enhance the efficiency and enterprise value of any financial firm. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence and data visualization tool. It allows users to transform raw data into interactive and visually appealing dashboards, reports, and data visualizations. Power BI enables businesses to gain insights from the data and make data-driven decisions. It offers a wide range of data connectors that allows users to connect to various data sources, both on premises and in the cloud. Power BI Report Builder offers the ability to produce pixel-perfect paginated reports. These are used when reports such as account summaries, performance, holdings, or transaction reports will run for many pages. Next, we'll jump into the Power BI desktop application and start bringing in our data. You have two areas within Power BI to bring data into the application. One of them is located on the interface that you see when you open the application. Up at the top left, you see the option that says Get Data. Click on that drop-down. You can see that there are many options from which you can bring data into Power BI. We're going to be focusing on bringing data in from Excel or CSV files and loading them into the application. Before data is brought in, it makes sense to take a look at the file. You may want to delete columns, take care of blank rows, or do some cleansing before the data comes into the application. You can clean it and modify it once it's in the application, but in some cases it makes sense to remove unnecessary data before it's loaded. So let's go back into Power BI. From Get Data, this file is a CSV file, so we'll click on Text CSV, and then double-click on the file you want to load into Power BI. You'll see it displayed in this window. You can scroll across to review the data that's being brought in, and then down at the bottom right, you can click Load to load the data directly into your data model, or Transform Data, which will bring the data into your query editor. I'm going to click on Transform Data. Now we see the file within the query editor. Over to the right, you can see that a couple of steps have already been applied to process the data. The first step was Power BI recognized that you had column headers, so those headers were promoted. The second step was it recognized the data type for your columns. Power BI has recognized that this column is a decimal number. If it is necessary, you can change the data type. Over here, you can see other data files that have been loaded, and across the top, you can see all of the options you have for preparing and modifying the data before it's loaded into the data model. We'll discuss these going forward, and in the next video, we'll explore the tools available to clean and transform your data.